Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we provide you with the latest insights on the stock market and highlight some of the most promising undervalued stocks. In today's video, we are excited to share with you two undervalued stocks that you should consider adding to your portfolio in April 2023. We will be taking an in-depth look at Pfizer and Danaher, two companies that are poised for growth. Segment 1, Pfizer. Pfizer is a leading pharmaceutical company with a market capitalization of $X billion. It has been one of the top performers in the industry, with a wide range of drugs and treatments that have transformed lives. Despite the challenges posed by the pandemic, Pfizer has shown remarkable resilience, with its stock price rebounding in recent months. This has been due to its ability to pivot its focus on vaccine development and production. The company's ability to capitalize on opportunities and its ability to innovate has contributed to its success. Pfizer's pipeline of drugs and treatments is robust, which should help it continue to grow in the years ahead. The company has a solid balance sheet and has consistently paid dividends, making it an attractive option for income investors. It also has a strong history of acquisitions, which have helped to expand its portfolio of products and services. Segment 2, Danaher. Danaher is a diversified technology company with a market capitalization of $Y billion. It has a reputation for being well managed and has shown steady growth over the years. Danaher's portfolio of businesses includes life sciences, diagnostics, and environmental solutions, which are all high-growth areas. The company's cash flow is strong, and it has a solid balance sheet, making it an attractive investment option. Danaher's focus on innovation and investment in research and development has been a key driver of its success. It has made a number of strategic acquisitions, such as its acquisition of General Electric's biopharma business, which has helped to expand its portfolio and drive growth. The company's management team has a proven track record of creating value for shareholders, making it a top pick for long-term investors. In conclusion, Pfizer and Danaher are two undervalued stocks that investors should consider for April 2023. Both companies have a strong financial foundation and a promising future growth outlook. As always, we advise that you do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.